Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a highly anticipated device, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Google's latest flagship is packed with premium features, new AI enhancements, an upgraded camera, and much more. In this review, we'll walk through everything this phone offers from design and display to its powerful hardware, software, and unique Google AI features. So if you're considering the Pixel 9 Pro as your next smartphone, stick around and let's see if it's worth the hype. Design and build quality. The Pixel 9 Pro showcases Google's familiar minimalistic design, featuring clean lines, a matte back finish, and a slimmer camera bar that gives it a premium, modern look. It's a bit more compact than the previous models, making it easier to hold, and the rounded edges add to the overall ergonomic feel. Materials. The Pixel 9 Pro uses high-quality glass and aluminum, with a focus on sustainability. Both the front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, improving its durability while keeping it scratch-resistant. Colors. It's available in several stylish colors, from obsidian black to snow white and a new emerald green, giving users a more elegant and bold palette to choose from. Pros. Sleek and refined look, durable materials, better grip than previous models. Cons. The camera bar still protrudes, making it wobble slightly on flat surfaces. Display quality. Google has equipped the Pixel 9 Pro with a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display, delivering a stunning visual experience with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The display now boasts a 1440 pixel resolution with an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, which provides smooth scrolling and better power efficiency. Brightness and HDR. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, it's easily visible in bright sunlight, making outdoor usage hassle-free. The HDR10 Plus support enhances streaming quality, especially with compatible content on apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. Enhanced viewing. Google's focus on color accuracy and true-to-life visuals continues with the Pixel 9 Pro, offering one of the most accurate color displays in its category. Pros. Sharp, vibrant visuals, smooth adaptive refresh rate, excellent outdoor readability. Cons. No major advancements from the Pixel 8 Pro's display in terms of specs. Camera system. One of the Pixel 9 Pro's primary selling points is, as expected, its camera setup. Google has gone all out with AI-powered camera enhancements, enabling impressive results even with minimal hardware changes. Triple lens system. The Pixel 9 Pro includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide, and a new 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. New AI capabilities. Google has introduced a feature called True Tone, which uses machine learning to adjust skin tones accurately, especially for people with diverse skin colors. Night sight and astrophotography. Low-light photography has been taken up a notch with AI night sight, allowing brighter and clearer images in nearly pitch-black conditions. The astrophotography mode now has enhanced detail capture for starry skies and nighttime landscapes. Pros. Exceptional low-light performance, accurate skin tones, high-quality 10x zoom. Cons. Lacks some manual settings that pro users may miss. Software and AI features. Google's unique selling point has always been software, and with the Pixel 9 Pro, the integration of Android 15 and Google's in-house AI tech is seamless. Android 15. It offers a smooth, clean UI with frequent updates, ensuring the phone remains secure and up-to-date for several years. AI-powered features. The Google Assistant has been upgraded to provide a more conversational experience, with features like Magic Compose and messaging that can even help rewrite sentences in different tones. Advanced photo editing. With AI-driven editing tools, users can easily adjust lighting, remove unwanted objects, and add artistic filters. Google's AI also assists with optimizing apps in the background so battery usage is minimized. Pros. Clean and responsive OS, advanced AI features, long-term updates. Cons. Some AI features may be region-locked initially. Performance and hardware. The Pixel 9 Pro runs on Google's latest Tensor G3 chip, designed for high efficiency and AI processing power. Processor and RAM. The Tensor G3 is paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, delivering swift performance even with demanding apps and multitasking. Google's customizations focus on balancing power and efficiency, so users will notice smoother transitions and faster app launches. Storage options. It's available in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB configurations, although there's no microSD slot for expansion, which could be a limitation for some users. Pros. Excellent AI processing, fast multitasking, well optimized for Android 15. Cons. Lacks expandable storage, limiting for heavy media users. Battery life and charging. Battery life on the Pixel 9 Pro has seen improvements thanks to both software optimization and a larger 5100 mAh battery. Endurance. On a full charge, it can last over a day with moderate usage, including streaming, social media, and some gaming. Charging. It supports 30-watt fast charging, which isn't the fastest compared to some competitors, but it gets the job done. Additionally, the phone supports 23-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, letting you top up other devices. Pros: good all-day battery, multiple charging options, energy efficient. Cons: charging speed is relatively slower compared to competitors like Xiaomi and OnePlus. Security features: security remains a top priority for Google, and the Pixel 9 Pro includes robust safety and privacy features, face unlock and fingerprint sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro now includes an under-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock, both of which are fast and accurate. Security patches and updates: Google promises up to 5 years of security updates, which means users can rely on the Pixel 9 Pro for a longer duration without security concerns. Pros: reliable security features, 5 years of updates. Cons: face unlock may be less secure than biometric fingerprint sensors. Audio and speaker quality: the Pixel 9 Pro includes stereo speakers that deliver clear sound quality with enhanced bass compared to its predecessor. Dual speakers: the sound is well balanced, and the dual speakers deliver ample loudness, making the phone ideal for media consumption. Audio experience: with the new 3D audio spatial enhancement, users can experience a more immersive audio effect while watching movies or playing games. Pros: clear, loud stereo speakers, immersive audio experience. Cons: lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, like most modern flagships. Pricing and availability: with a starting price around PKR 220,000, the Pixel 9 Pro is clearly positioned as a premium flagship. While the price is competitive, it's still on the higher end compared to some competing brands, particularly in regions where Google doesn't officially sell its devices, potentially impacting value. Pros: great value for a flagship experience, frequent updates. Cons: expensive for markets with import taxes and lacks official support in some regions. So, that wraps up our in-depth look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Overall, this device is a powerhouse of AI capabilities, camera excellence, and user-friendly software, making it one of the top choices in the flagship smartphone market. With its thoughtful enhancements in design, display, and AI features, it certainly brings a lot to the table. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro? Is it worth the upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more detailed reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.